Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily delete any group chat on your iPhone. Don't forget to put likes, write comments after watching the video, and also be sure to subscribe to the channel. So friends, let us get down to our topic with you. If you had a situation that you would like to delete some group chat on your iPhone, pause. You'll need to first go to the messaging app, find that group chat, and now you will have two options on how you can delete such a chat. The first one is to swipe from the right side to the left side of this chat, like this, and click on the trash can button so it's deleted. And the second option is you can when you're in the chat room itself. At the top in the middle, click on the name of the chat room. And at the bottom, you'll see an option called Delete or Block. Click on it and confirm your action. As you can see, this chat will be instantly deleted from all the chats on your phone. This is how you can quickly and easily delete group chat on any iPhone. Please don't forget to put your likes. Also be sure to subscribe to this channel. Take care, friends.